Hey, it's Sally. I want to talk a little bit about flattering camera angles. So we want to shoot a quick something for Instagram, but we want it to look good. So from all of my years in production, I have learned one thing about photographing women. So what we want to do is we want to bring that camera up high. So I'm actually using a tripod and I've really pushed it up high above me. And then we want to tilt that camera down. So you take the camera and you literally go and tilt it down. Third, you want to always be by a natural light source. And if you could possibly shoot in the afternoon light. So those four dynamics are what I do when I shoot my videos. So people tell me, oh my gosh, you always look so good on social media, but you don't look like that when I see you. I don't take that as an insult. It's because I use the best lighting, the best angles, in the best time of day that I can. I don't believe in Photoshop. I don't believe in using weird filters. I believe in presenting your face the best you can. But why not take advantage of these four things? So you're going to bring the camera up high, you're going to tilt it down, you're going to use natural light, and in the afternoon, magic light. So try that, ladies. Let me know what you get.